Hello friends, welcome to GMG Accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss the last lesson of Accountancy, Unit 10, Computerized Accounting System Tally Theory. The first theory, very short answer question, what is automated accounting system? Automated accounting is an approach to maintain up-to-date accounting records with the aid of accounting software. Under manual accounting system, entries are made in different book of accounts, while accounting software packages allow manual entry in one field or one place. From that field or place, the software automatically relates the transaction to all other relevant records within the software package. Second question, what are the accounting reports? Accounting report is a compilation of accounting information that are derived from the accounting records of a business concern. Accounting reports may be classified as routine reports and special purpose reports. Now, very easy question, very important question. State any 5 accounting reports: daybook, journal, ledger, trial balance, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Next question, what is AIS? AIS means Accounting Information System. Accounting Information System collects financial data, processes them and provide information to the various users. To provide information, AIS requires data from other information system, that is manufacturing, marketing and human resources. Similarly, other information systems require data from AIS in order to provide information. Thus, data exchange among the information systems is inevitable. For example, to compute amount of wages to be paid, AIS requires data from manufacturing information system and human resource information system. Move on to fifth question. What is a group in Tally ERP 9? In Tally, a group is a collection of ledgers of the same nature. There are predefined groups of accounts which are used in accounts of many organizations. Groups are categorized as primary groups and subgroups. Primary group includes capital account, current liabilities, fixed assets, current assets, etc. Subgroup includes reserve and surplus. sundry creditors, sundry debtors, etc. Now move on to short answer. Write a brief note on accounting vouchers. Voucher is a document which contains details of transactions. Transactions are to be recorded through voucher entries. Tally has a set of predefined vouchers such as purchases, sales, payment, receipt and contra. To view the list of voucher type, gateway of tally, under that master, under that accounting information, in that voucher types, in that display. As per the requirements of users, additional voucher type can be created. Following are some of the major accounting vouchers used in an organization: receipt voucher, payment voucher, contra voucher, purchase voucher, sales voucher, journal voucher. What are the predefined ledgers available in Tally ERP 9? Tally has two predefined ledgers: cash and profit and loss account. The user has to create various other ledgers based on their requirements. Gateway of Tally, under that masters, under that accounting information, under that ledgers you have to open. In ledger you have to open single ledger. In single ledger you have to open create. This is the way to open a new ledger or create a ledger. Next question. Mention the commonly used vouchers types in Tally.ERP 9. Receipt voucher, payment voucher, contra voucher, purchase voucher, sales voucher, journal voucher. Explain how to view profit and loss statement in Tally.ERP 9. To view profit and loss account, press F10. Account reports. In that, press profit and loss account, then press Alt F1 for detail. Or go to gateway of Tally. In that, press reports. In that, profit and loss account, and in that, press Alt F1 for detail. This is the detail diagram that shows your company account. Next, we move on to last question. Explain any 5 applications of computerized accounting system. Maintaining accounting records. In CAS, computerized accounting system, accounting records can be maintained easily and efficiently for long time period. It does not require a large amount of physical space. It facilitates fast and accurate retrieval of data and information. Second point, inventory management. CAS facilitates efficient management of inventory, fast moving, slow moving, and absolute inventory can be identified. Updated information about availability of inventory, level of inventory, etc. can be obtained instantly. Third point, payroll preparation. Payroll involves the calculation of amount due to an employee. Pay of an employee may be calculated based on hours or days worked or units produced. CAS records the attendance of employees, computes the amount of salary, makes deductions such as provident fund, income tax, etc. Report generation. CAS helps to generate various routine and special purpose reports. Data import or export. Accounting data and information can be imported from or exported to other users within the organization as well as outside the organization. Last point, taxation. CAS helps to compute various taxes and to deduct these and deposit the same to the government account. Up to this, our 10th chapter is completed. So all the theory is completed.